What's up, guys? Welcome back to Road to the Two Comic Club, and it is this Thursday the 21st, and like I said yesterday, as soon as I sold my puts, they'd probably be going up, and look at that. Bed Bath & Beyond is down 12% today. My call would have been up 44%. I only had two of them, so I probably would have only been up like maybe 90 bucks, but still, it just freaking figures, right? But anyways, let's go back to the home page. And we're up a little bit, so I'm happy with that. Any gain is fine with me. So yeah, we're just gonna keep an eye on some stuff. We got Universal Display up top, but you know, it's still early. It's only 10:30, so we'll see how the rest of the day shakes out. But right now it seems pretty calm. Really excited about Hemp Americana almost getting back to a penny, and the blockchain one that we're in is also up. So yeah, we'll see how today goes. What's up, guys? All right, so we're back. It's 9:45 p.m. and let's just see how we did. All right, so we pretty much finished even today, up just a little bit, but I'm not complaining about that because whenever we go up, I am totally happy with that. So let's just look at our watch list, not our watch list, our positions list, and see how we did. Our top performers, though, we had Apple up on top, and Home Depot. What a solid company Home Depot is. If you're looking for a safe stock that pays dividends, I really would highly recommend Home Depot. That's my unprofessional disclaimer opinion because I'm not a financial advisor, but I just really like Home Depot a lot. You know, more and more people are living on the planet. They need places to live. Home Depot just has the materials to do that. So let's just keep scrolling down and see who our losers were. We have Applied Materials, which I thought they went up yesterday. Then this Riot Blockchain, I'm totally getting screwed on this one. That was not a good decision. Definitely regretting that one. But I'm holding on to this guy because it's $550. I might as well just hold on to it and see what happens. It could go back up just as easily as it's coming back down, so I'm not too worried about that. But yeah, definitely one of those examples where don't know too much about the company, so don't risk too much money on it. I didn't risk a whole lot. Just kind of took a gamble because that's kind of the person I am. So anyway, let's go to the watch list, shall we? All right. So we have TerraTech, which is I don't want to get uncensored, but it's a plant company that makes you feel happy. And then we got Hemp Americana here that, you know, hemp, obviously, which I'm really excited about. I really do hope they legalize it everywhere. It's just only a matter of time. We're going to talk about Domino's Pizza. They had a good day. We're going to talk about them in a bit. The blockchain one went up. So yeah, we had some good ones. Alibaba, Take-Two. What is this one? I don't even remember adding that to the watch list. But anyways, Zynga, wow, I can't believe they're still around. Yeah, I mean, obviously they make mobile games, but I really don't play a lot of games that they make anymore. Tesla, wow, Tesla finished up for the day. I thought they were going to finish down, so that's cool. All right, let's just keep going through these. Ferrari is at 106. Okay, they're still hanging in there. Here are the stocks that went down. Albemarle, dang, they need to make a comeback. Come on. And then we got, closing up the bottom, we got some really horrible ones, all blockchain related. I'm pretty sure this is a cryptocurrency related company. Don't quote me on that because someone just mentioned it while I was doing my live stream about cryptocurrency. Yeah, so I think it is a blockchain type of company. Anyways, I don't know a whole lot about that, so I suggest you do some research. But anyways, let's wrap it up and talk about some of the news. All right, so really interesting fact about the Dow Jones. They're on pace to, if they finish this month in the green, they will have broken a record that was last set in 1959. So, I mean, that's a long time ago. Yeah, so 58 years ago. So in 1959, they went on a 12... I'll put the link in the description, but I'm trying to just remember the facts off the top of my head. But I believe in 1959 it said that they went on the Dow went on a 12-month win streak that ended in February, and if we can close this month in the green, that'll be 9 months in a row that the Dow has posted gains, and that's just incredible. It sums up how well the market did this year, and I'm really worried that 2018 will not. I mean, it's going to be hard to top this. I really don't think 2018 is going to be as good. But I still do think the solid companies like the Home Depots, the Apples, like those companies, the solid companies in the world, I think they're going to still have a good year. The companies that experienced a lot of growth this year, like Nvidia, Netflix, I'm not as sure about. but I still do think that there's a lot of promising things that could send their stocks higher. I'm probably more bullish on Nvidia than I am on Netflix right now. So Netflix is just more of a long-term thing. But yeah, so anyways, that was interesting news. Apple, I saw a headline that they're going to be ordering a lot more OLED screens from Samsung. I was really hoping they were going to get away from Samsung as a supplier, but I don't think they've found one yet. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. But yeah, so I don't think the iPhone prices will be coming down anytime soon for the iPhone 10s and their sequels. It might even go up. Who knows? But finally, Domino's Pizza. I missed this a couple days ago, but they got a price increase by, I forget which bank, but I'll put a link in the description. And so again, and they also are switching up their marketing team. I heard they appointed a new person to the vice president, I think, of the company. So there's a lot of stuff going on in that company. I already thought they were doing very well, but apparently they're still shaking stuff up. And that just kind of, I think my analysis of this is probably the CEO is just still wanting to push for growth and seeing how they can do better. And that's one of the best things about that CEO. That's why he's been able to turn that company around so much over the years. So he's just always trying to improve, always trying to get better and improve and adapt with the technology and the times and all that stuff. So anyways, I hope Domino's Pizza has a good year in 2018, but who knows? So, but I'm still bullish on them. So anyways, I'm going to wrap it up here. If you guys like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have made a lot of money so far this year, and we got, I think, 6 more days left of trading to close out the year, maybe 5, I forget, but 5 or 6. And so let's see what can happen. So thank you guys so much for watching, and hope you guys have a good night. We will see you tomorrow.